Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin with another unboxing, and 8bitdo sent us another care package of some new controllers they have recently released on the market. It looks like we got the N30 Pros, and these are kind of a new take on the NES controller design, but you've got thumbsticks, 4 buttons, and I believe a full set of shoulder and trigger buttons too. Now these came in free of charge from 8bitdo. However, they are not paying for this unboxing, nor are they reviewing or approving what you're about to see before it is uploaded, and all the opinions are my own. So it looks like there's a couple different colors here. We've got the traditional NES colors. They've got kind of a GameCube color here. This one looks more like a Super Nintendo, perhaps inspired color. I might be wrong about that. And this one is an all black one. Let's do this one, because this is my childhood right here. So let's undo this. What's been neat about these is that they've been getting more creative in their industrial design lately. So they're using some inspiration from the past as opposed to recreating it. So it's nice to see some new designs here. But their replica controllers are very close looking to the originals here. So let's unbox it here. And let's see what we got inside. I'm going to guess the guts on these is similar to the SNES-inspired controllers we looked at recently, but we'll do a full review of these on my main channel at lon.tv. They're pretty thin, actually. They feel pretty nice in the hand. They're not very big. And what they've done here, so the SNES Pro controller, which I might have, yes, I do have one right here. The SNES Pro controller is a bit thicker. It's about the same thickness as a Super Nintendo controller. So as a result, you've got your shoulder and trigger buttons laid out like so. These are thinner, so it looks like you're going to have them both in the same line here. So if you're used to having another button lower than the top one, this may not be the controller for you, but it is a lot more compact and lightweight. This might actually be nicer to travel with just because it does take up a lot less room. By the way, these work on the PC, on the Switch, and a bunch of other devices too. The D-pad feels a little better actually than it does on this one. So we'll do that D-pad test we did last time because people were talking about the diagonals not being so great on these. So we'll do another slow-mo test on this when I do my evaluation to see how they do. But it actually feels like it might be better. We'll see. The thumbsticks are not as large, so you can see the difference in size between the thumbsticks on the SNES controller versus the N30 here, but they do click. They feel pretty nice. They have a good amount of travel. I would say probably about the same as the SNES ones do. The buttons, though, are definitely smaller, so you can see that. So this is, I think, going to be probably a good little travel controller, perhaps, into the mix. And then you've got your controls down here for doing Bluetooth and everything. On the Switch, you can also have it take images, the screenshots feature there. And it looks like it might light up here on the side, too. It's got some, what appears to be lights, perhaps. I might be wrong about that. Maybe we'll plug it in real quick and see if it lights up. So let's take out its cable. This is a USB Type-C cable, and I've got a charger. Oops, sorry about that. Got a charger down here that I can use to give it some juice and see what it looks like when it is plugged in. So let's do that real quick. These actually are a little bit more different than I thought they would be. Oh, look at that. It's got some cool lights on the bottom, too. That's neat. Stay tuned, more to come on this, and let me know what you'd like to see in the review in the comments section down below. Until next time, this is Lon Seibin. Thanks for watching.